Danny's let the cows back into the bottom pasture now with the green grass, and they are just enjoying. Look at them just running, jumping. If I walk down there, they'll quit, so I thought I'd do it from a distance. And the pond in the background's the neighbors, so they can't get to that. There's a fence. I have to go back around front tires or to their water troughs. We haven't got them in the ponds yet. When it's cool like this, the wind's blowing, they just have them a ball. And boy, is that wind cold.
Come on. Come on, Dixie. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Come on. Here, Mr. Dexter, I know what you come up here for. You come up here just to be loved on.
Dolly's done figured it out.
Well, you just jerked them out of my hand. Well, another one on the ground.
Come on, Candy needs one.
Well, girl, you just...
Daisy's gotten where she's about as bad.
Oh, my word. Yeah, I know, big boy. You don't want to eat nothing. You just... You're a pig. Y'all are loving these taters, man.
Candy wants another one. She's single beller after this morning.
Yeah, she didn't want a beller this morning like she usually does.
Candy one. Dixie's been, get out of my way. They're gonna tear our fence all up. Dolly
gets all... Yeah, boy, I know.
He just wants rubbed.
Yeah. Y'all gonna eat all my sweet taters up. She hooking you in the head, huh? I know, boy.
Rub Dexter.
I don't know how it is to feed this many mouths, huh?
You got Minnie over there by herself. She ain't getting none.
Minnie don't want nothing. She just won't eat them.
She ain't figured out she likes them yet.
She likes them yet. Oh, you gonna belch on me?
Rub Dexter. You gotta stop and rub Dexter, else he ain't gonna be satisfied.
Hang on. God, y'all worse than a bunch of youngins.
They're starving to death. Look at Minnie just off by herself.
He don't care. Yeah, I know, boy. These girls is gonna take me down, son. You're gonna have to. I can only feed so fast.
You gotta stop rub Dexter again. His little head's down.
Sorry, son. Watch it, these girls is gone. Y'all go on now. Give you Yes, sir. I know. Them old girls is.
They want to eat.
Well,
Sweet taters are their favorite right now.
two of them got babies, and there you go. Get you one off over there where you go hunting. Oh, y'all got bad breath.
Belching on you.
Here, take you a long one. Go eat on it for a while.
All right, rub Dexter. He's knocking Dolly out of the way.
You get these girls. They... Yeah, boy. All right, Miss Candy. I know. In just a minute. Give y'all one. Dolly, you seem to be a horse.
Her and Daisy are just,
Well, her and Daisy just.
once they figured out they liked them.
He's a good boy. Yeah, he is a good boy. Yeah.
They ought to be about full.
I don't know if you can fill these things up. They like vacuum cleaners.
Dexter's waiting patiently. Is he eating at all?
No, he don't eat them. Oh. You gotta be patient. Yeah, boy. Girls, y'all.
As long as you stand there and do it, they're gonna wanna eat.
Y'all need to go somewhere and sit down and eat. Dexter.
Just run her all over the place.
Girls, boy, I tell you what.
Candy wants one. You missed her.
Y'all are just. You are the big one, boy.
She'll eat your hand and all, won't she?
Damn. Now, this is a whole 5-gallon bucket.
And Daisy and Dixie wouldn't even come to us a year ago. Look at Dexter.
Look at him.
He's sold up.
Are you sold up, boy? I'm sorry.
Minnie's coming, but she said, I don't care about sweet potatoes. She's a finicky eater. She said, I'd rather have hay.
Okay, girls. All I got is one old. Now, that's it.
Minnie a lick on it. All right, you got to rub Dexter because he said he's got to have his.
You backed off out there and soiled up on me, boy. Yeah, I know. I know. Them old girls, I got to feed them. They got babies. Yeah.
He said, but he is the baby.
I know you the boy, you the big boy in the group. We gotta hang together. Yeah.
That's all he wanted.
That's all he wants right there. He's perfectly fine now.
You girls okay? Go lay down. We ain't got no more. Sorry.